Now I'm going to explain about the material purchase budget. So we are still under the functional budget just now. So we have the sales budget, production budget, material usage budget. Now we go into material purchase budget. So purchasing manager is responsible to obtain the planned quantities of raw materials to meet the production requirements. So it is used to purchase the materials at the right time and at the planned purchase price. So how do you prepare your material purchase budget? So in quantity and value. So here, total material usage in terms of the quantity. Again, you have to adjust for your opening stock and closing stock. So you have to add your closing stock. But now in terms of the material, just now when you prepare the production budget, that will be in the finished goods. Okay. Here, when you look into the material, you have to adjust for your closing stock, add your closing stock of materials, and then less your opening stock of materials. You will arrive at your total material, that is the quantity to be purchased. If you want to convert that into value, you times with the cost of material per unit, RM per unit. Then you will arrive at your cost of materials to be purchased in value. Okay, just take for example just now, your total material usage, for example, in terms of the quantity, how many units that you want? You want 4,000 units. Do you have any opening stock or closing stock of that fabric or of that cotton fabric? Okay, so if you have, for example, your closing stock, so the closing stock that you want is 350. So you have to add your closing stock 4350, that becomes 4350. If you have any opening stock in your store, so that will be, let's say it is 200, you have opening stock of 200, so 4350 minus your opening stock of 200, that gives you 4150. What is 4150? That is your total material to be purchased in terms of the quantity. If it is in meters, that will be 4150 meters to be purchased. That is the fabric that you need to purchase. Okay, how much is the value? Assuming that the cost of material per unit or the fabric per meter just now is 5 ringgit per meter. So that will be 4150 times 5 ringgit per meter. So the cost of materials or the cost of fabric that you need to purchase will be 20,750 ringgit. So that's how you prepare your material purchase budget in quantity and value.